working.
We should be close to completing the ceremony for this actuator. Let's put the last part back and see.
Ilang araw ko pa lang siyang nilalaro talaga. So, please bear with me. Yasam nyo.
I'll keep this close.